traditional Jamaican green plantain porridge. So here in my pot I have 8 cups of water, add 5 pieces of bay leaves and 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. I have a coconut here, I crack it open. Now I'm dicing it up, add it to the blender with roughly 2 cups of water, blend it. Here I'm going to strain off the coconut milk. Here I have 3 fingers of green plantain. I'm going to blend them with the skin. So I'm just cut them up, wash them, add them to the blender with coconut milk, with cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, and vanilla. Here I'm going to add it to the pot. I'm going to whisk it right away so you don't have no lump. Add some brown sugar, add some sweet condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel, whisk it. Now I'm going to serve me a bowl. Look how nice and creamy this is, my people. And the whole thing take 25 minutes to cook. Look at that. Peace out. See you in the next one.